Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to solve this exponent equation. Just looking at the equation, we can realize that the base are different. So let's get started. The first step is to make sure that the base are equal. Okay, so 343 is the same as 49 times 7. So 49 itself is 7 times 7 times 7. So this will give us 7 to the power of 3. So if we write our equation, we're going to have 7 to the power 3 bracket 27 raised to the power 2 x inverse should be equals to 7 to the power 9. So let's apply some laws of indices. So a to the power n bracket m is the same as a n times m. So we are going to apply the law here. So if we do that, we are going to have 7 3 times 27 raised to the power 2x inverse should be equals to 7 to the power 9. So we can see that both bases are equal. So this 7 and this 7 will cancel up. We'll be left with 3 times 27 raised to the power 2x raised to the minus 1 should be equals to 9. So we want to make sure we simplify this by dividing both sides by 3. So if we divide both sides by 3, 3 and 3 will cancel up. So we'll be left with 27 2x minus 1 should be equal to, if we divide it, we are going to have 3. Okay, so let's proceed. So looking at our equation again, we can see that the base are still different. So we have 27 and here we have 3. Okay, so 27 itself is 3 to the power 3. So 27 is 3 to the power 3. So we are going to have bracket 2x to the minus 1 should be equals to 3 to the power 1, because 3 is 3 to the power 1. So we can see apply the law of indices. So here we are going to multiply 2 times 3, that will give us 6. Okay, so we are going to have 3 times 2 x to the minus 1 should be equal to 3 to the power 1. So we can now realize that the base are still the same, so we can cancel up. We'll be left with 2 times 3 is 6. 6 to the power 6x to the power 1 should give us 1. So we can move further. So to simplify this, we can divide both sides by 6. 6 will be left with x inverse should be equals to 1 over 6. So next we know the laws of inverse. So if we have a to the minus n is the same as 1 over a to the power n. So we can apply that law here. So x to the minus 1 is the same as 1 over x to the power 1, which is x, should be equal to 1 over 6. We can now cross multiply. So we are going to get x times 1, which is x, and 1 times 6, which is 6. So that's our answer. Please to support, subscribe.